Hello everyone, this is Bonnie. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple and quick Thai mango sticky rice. I'll also show you how to steam the rice in a lazy way. Let's get started. I'm going to make 2 servings today. It's about 150 grams of sticky rice. Then rinse with fresh water for a couple of times until the water becomes clear. I'm going to cook with pressure cooker. Put the rinsed sticky rice into the inner pot. With this lazy method, you don't have to pre-soak your sticky rice. You just have to rinse well, add water, and then pressure cooking. That's it. Spread the sticky rice flat in the pot. Then add water, just good enough to cover the sticky rice. According to your own pressure cooker's instruction, like the one that I'm using, I have to put about 2 jars of measuring cup of water. Then we can place the steaming rack. Put the inner pot with rinsed sticky rice. I use pressure cooking for 20 minutes. Now, prepare the coconut sauce. Add the coconut cream to the saucepan. Then add sugar and don't forget a pinch of salt. Bring the coconut sauce to simmer, then turn off the heat. When the sticky rice is done, turn on the valve, then let it sit for 10 minutes. Now you can take the sticky rice out. Get the sauce ready, and then gradually add into the sticky rice. Don't pour the sauce in one go. Let the rice absorb and mix it until well combined. Then cover the rice with cling film and then with tea towel to stay warm. I'll leave the rice to sit and develop the flavor. Now prepare the mango. I love to cut in half and then cut into pieces. After plating the mango, now the sticky rice time. If you want to make it look nicer on the plate, you can use a container to shape the rice before plating. I think it looks pretty nice. What do you think? Then sprinkle with white and black sesame. As I couldn't find any authentic Thai ingredients for decoration, and I think we easily get black and white sesame in the local supermarket, and it goes pretty well with the mango sticky rice. Now is the time for making the coconut dipping sauce. Dissolve a teaspoon of cornstarch into cold water. Then add to the coconut sauce and cook until thickened. And make sure not over boiling the coconut milk, or it will become curdle. Keep stirring until it becomes a thick sauce. Leave it cool and the sauce will become thicker. It's so quick and easy by using a pressure cooker for sticky rice. You can enjoy the dessert within 30 minutes. If you like my sharing, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, my love. See you next time.